Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Asia and I'm a zero-based budgeter, which means that I take all of my income and I assign each dollar a purpose for my overall goal of tracking my spending, getting out of debt, and creating wealth. So in today's video, I am going to be stuffing, I believe it is 2 weeks of income into my spending envelopes, my sinking funds, and my bills envelopes, which is kind of like my revolving sinking funds because they go in and they go out every month when I gotta pay those bills. So let's just get started. I'm gonna be referring to my bi-weekly budget planner. It's a little planner that I use to be able to sort out my budgeting for the weeks and know how much I'm going to be stuffing in each envelope. So yeah, if you're interested in one, I'll put it down in the comments. But yeah, I got it from a fellow budgeter and I've been using it. It's been pretty great so far. So let's just get on to it. Let's get stuffing because, oh yeah, and excuse my nails because I tried my hardest to get them together before this video and I was a little short on letting them dry. That's one thing I really miss is getting my gel manicures because it takes no time for them to dry. Once they're done, I can get it moving and get going. And I gotta hurry up and do this video because daughter's at school and my son is sleeping, taking a nap, but I think I hear him, so let me take a quick break and check on him. Sorry for stopping in the very beginning, but I'll be right back. Okay, so I am back. Oh my gosh, today has been a struggle bus, but anyways, I'm gonna try to see if I can complete this video while my son is breastfeeding. So yeah, I'm just gonna take a second and breathe in and breathe out. Okay, I can do this, okay, because wow, today has been a day. But either way, I need to get this video done. I need to get these envelopes stuffed so that I don't get any hiccups when it comes to my budgeting. So let's just get on started. So as I said before, I'm gonna be referring to my little tracker here to let me know what envelopes I'm gonna be stuffing with what amounts. So yeah, I should have a total of $567. I'm gonna go on and count this really quickly. And it's out of order because I got some change. And yeah, I got some change. So I need to go on and count this to make sure that it's all there, put everything in order. Okay, so let's count it up, make sure it's all there. Okay, we've got 20, 40, 60, 81, 120, 140, 160, 180, 220, 240, 260, 283, 320, 340, 360, 384, 420, 460, 480, 490, 5, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 5, 85, 86, and 87. Wait, hold up. I don't know. Something happened wrong. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 460, 470, 480, 490, 500, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 5, 65, 66, and 67. Don't know what happened that first time around. Don't ask me.
I don't know.
I wasn't there. I don't know what happened. But yeah, let's get this on separated. I'm going to grab my tray here. Sorry for, for the unorganizedness and all over the place, but I just got to get this done. I'm going to take my 20s and put them in here. My 10s and put them in here. Boop, boop, boop. 5s and ones. Okay, so I'm going to start with my spending envelopes. I have them in my wallet. Okay, so as I don't know if I said before, but I'm on a very, very tight income. So things are not always getting stuffed as they should. You know, back when I had a little bit more cash at hand, I was stuffing every envelope. But right now, everything's, you know, it's bare minimum. So pretty much, oh, my rent envelope's there because I paid rent and I need to put that back in the envelope it goes in. So pretty much only the crib, which is household goods because I need some toilet paper and such, gas, and rent is another. Laundry, which I can't find my laundry envelope, but either way, laundry's getting something and I gotta stuff that. So let's just stay on task. Okay, gas is getting $120. 20, 40, 60, 81, 120. Ooh. 120 for gas. The crib is getting 15, a 10 and a 5 for 15. And since I can't find my envelope, and I'm probably just gonna put it in I have like a jar that I put all my, losing my words, quarters. I put all my quarters in, and so I'm just gonna take this 5, put it in my jar, and exchange it for quarters for laundry. So that's that with my spending envelopes. I'll put that to the side. Next I have my bills envelope. Ooh, bills binder. So this goes in here. Rent is getting $380. There's 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 340, 350, 360, 370, 380, right? 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 320, 340, 350, 360, 370, 380 in rent. And I'm in the process of trying to whittle down my budget to my noodle budget to get like just the necessities. You know, I've been trying to get down on all of my subscriptions that I don't need, paying for things that I don't need, trying to minimize, you know, rent's not going anywhere, but I do have a storage and I'm trying to find other solutions to like not be paying as much for my storage or get a smaller unit or share with another friend that I know has a storage unit. But yeah, I'm trying to figure some things out until I'm able to make a little bit more money. I do have a possible promotion coming up at work.
Yes! 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 Yes!
So that's going to be a little bit, but I still also need to do get more into my side hustle so I can just make more money, because like at some point you can only budget so much and only cut so much. I just got to start making more money, and that's all that is. So P.O. Box, nothing. Storage, phone bill is getting 5. So phone bill has 15 now. And I saw another budgeter mention this Mint mobile, so I might be changing to that. It seems a lot cheaper than what I have already, but I'm still on the fence. Insurance is getting 5 as well. Oops. So I'll put a 5 back in. I'll take a 10. So insurance now has 10, 20, 5, 35, 40. Okay, I did phone and insurance. Subscriptions is getting nothing this week. Storage is getting 35. 10, 20, 30, 5. And so now storage has 10, 20, 30, 40, 55, 65, 70, 1, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, and $79. in storage. And lastly, these $2 is going to AAA. So AAA is empty because I just paid it for the year and I'm starting back over. So yeah, if you guys have, I mean, right now I'm in a journey to get rid of a lot of my debt. I'm going to start most likely the avalanche, snowball, like a mixture of both, way to get rid of my debt. If you guys know of any really good videos on that, definitely link them down below. That's all that she wrote. I truly appreciate every single last one of you guys for sticking around with me. If you like this type of content and you like my videos, definitely give me a like because it helps out my video, and consider subscribing down below. I will see you in the next video. Bye.